Hey guys, today let's learn how to see your Spotify Wrapped in 2023. So if you guys are wondering how to see your Spotify Wrapped in 2023, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to view this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys, because what we need to do first is to make sure that we have the latest version of Spotify installed on our devices. Once that is done, go ahead and launch the Spotify application. Proceed with, basically from here, you're going to have a prompt showing you the Spotify Wrapped 2023. It is also going to be located right here if you haven't viewed it already. But if you have and you still cannot locate it, you can easily locate that over on your tabs over here on the top, over on the Wrapped tab. So just tap on Wrapped and all of your Spotify Wrapped, your artists, top songs, everything is going to be located right here. Just tap on whatever you want to tap and it's that easy, guys. That is all for this video. That's how you guys can see your Spotify Wrapped 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.